The Black Decker 16-cup rice cooker is an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering convenience and versatility for preparing meals. Designed to handle up to 8 cups of uncooked rice, it transforms it into 16 cups of perfectly cooked rice, making it ideal for family dinners, gatherings, or meal prep. Its non-stick removable bowl ensures easy cleaning, while the included steaming basket allows you to steam vegetables, fish, or dumplings simultaneously, adding more variety to your meals. This multitasking ability makes it stand out among rice cookers, providing both value and efficiency. Operating the rice cooker is incredibly straightforward with its one-touch control, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The automatic keep warm function ensures your rice stays warm and fluffy until you are ready to serve. Whether you're cooking white, brown, jasmine, or basmati rice, this rice cooker delivers consistent results every time. Its compact yet sleek design makes it a great fit for any kitchen counter without occupying much space. For customers seeking satisfaction and long-term reliability, this model is a perfect choice. To ensure optimal performance, always follow the included guidelines for rice-to-water ratios and cleaning instructions. Compared to other rice cookers, the Black Decker 16-cup rice cooker offers the ideal balance of affordability, functionality, and quality, making it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify meal preparation while enjoying delicious home-cooked rice. The Midea Micom rice cooker is a modern, multifunctional appliance designed to simplify your cooking experience. With its 3L 5.5 cup capacity, this rice cooker is perfect for individuals, small families, or couples who enjoy freshly cooked rice. Its sleek white design complements any kitchen, while the digital controls offer an array of cooking options. This versatile device not only cooks white and brown rice to perfection, but also functions as a slow cooker and steamer, providing endless meal possibilities. Its advanced Micom technology ensures precise temperature control and even cooking for consistently delicious results, setting it apart from many other rice cookers in the market. The intuitive digital interface allows you to select from multiple cooking modes with ease. Whether you're preparing fluffy white rice, hearty brown rice, or slow-cooked stews, its keep warm function ensures your meals stay at the perfect temperature until you're ready to enjoy them. The non-stick inner pot is removable, making cleanup effortless, while the compact design saves counter space without sacrificing functionality. For customer satisfaction, Midea prioritizes both performance and convenience. To get the best results, use the included measuring cup and follow the recommended rice-to-water ratios. Regularly clean the pot and steaming tray to maintain the cooker's longevity and performance. Compared to other rice cookers, the Midea Micom offers a premium cooking experience with its advanced features and user-friendly design, making it an excellent investment for anyone who values efficiency and delicious home-cooked meals. The Reichunger Digital Rice Cooker and Steamer is a premium choice for anyone seeking an advanced, versatile cooking experience. Designed with a capacity of 8 cups, it caters to both small families and larger groups of up to 8 people. Its sleek white exterior houses a cutting-edge, 7-phase cooking technology, which ensures precise temperature and timing adjustments for perfectly cooked rice, grains, oatmeal, and even soups. This multifunctional appliance comes with 12 cooking programs, allowing you to experiment with a variety of dishes effortlessly. As one of the most innovative rice cookers on the market, it promises a combination of efficiency, versatility, and elegance. The premium inner pot is non-stick, ensuring even heat distribution and hassle-free cleaning. The digital timer function lets you schedule your meals in advance, so whether you're prepping for a busy morning or a late dinner, your food is ready exactly when you need it. With dedicated settings for brown rice, quinoa, and other grains, the Reichunger Digital Rice Cooker ensures each dish retains its texture and flavor. The built-in steaming option further enhances its functionality, allowing you to cook vegetables or protein simultaneously for a complete meal. For optimal satisfaction, customers should always measure ingredients carefully and select the correct program based on the type of dish being prepared. Regular cleaning of the pot and steam valve will maintain its performance over time. Among rice cookers, the Reichhunger digital rice cooker stands out for its advanced technology, user-friendly design, and versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for those who enjoy exploring diverse and delicious meals with ease. The Musum Store electric rice cooker is a reliable and stylish solution for preparing perfect rice effortlessly. With a capacity of 5 cups of uncooked rice, it yields enough for small families or gatherings while maintaining a compact design ideal for any kitchen space. This rice cooker is particularly well suited for preparing specialty dishes like Asian and Japanese sushi rice, ensuring each grain is perfectly cooked to the right texture. Its stainless steel finish not only adds durability but also enhances its aesthetic appeal. The one-touch operation simplifies the cooking process, making it beginner-friendly while still delivering professional quality results, a feature that sets it apart among modern rice cookers. In addition to its primary function, the Musum electric rice cooker includes a built-in steamer, allowing you to prepare vegetables, seafood, or dumplings alongside your rice for a complete and healthy meal. The removable inner cover and non-stick inner pot make cleaning quick and easy, while the auto warmer keeps your rice fresh and ready to serve for hours. Its fast cooking feature ensures meals are prepared efficiently, catering to busy households without compromising on quality. For customer satisfaction, it's important to follow the recommended rice-to-water ratios for the best results. Using the provided measuring cup and ensuring the steamer components are cleaned regularly will extend the product's life and maintain optimal performance. Compared to other rice cookers, the Musum Store electric rice cooker is a versatile and dependable appliance, delivering convenience, speed, and exceptional results that will enhance your kitchen experience. The Topwit Mini Rice Cooker is a compact and stylish appliance designed for individuals or small households looking for a versatile and portable cooking solution. With a 1.2 liters capacity, it accommodates up to 2 cups of uncooked rice, making it perfect for single servings or meals for 2. Its charming blue color and compact design make it an attractive addition to any kitchen or an excellent choice for dorm rooms, small apartments, or travel. This mini rice cooker features a glass lid, allowing you to monitor the cooking process while adding a modern aesthetic. Despite its small size, it delivers the same quality and functionality as larger rice cookers, ensuring perfect results every time. The non-stick inner pot ensures even cooking and easy cleaning, while its smart control functions include a 24-hour delay start and automatic keep warm mode, allowing you to plan meals around your schedule. Whether you're preparing white rice, brown rice, or experimenting with grains and oats, the Topwit Mini Rice Cooker ensures consistent performance. Its portability and lightweight design make it ideal for those who need a reliable cooking solution on the go, whether for work lunches, picnics, or weekend trips. For customer satisfaction, it's essential to follow the instructions for rice-to-water ratios and use the provided measuring cup for accurate portions. Regular cleaning of the pot and lid will ensure the rice cooker remains in excellent condition. Compared to other rice cookers, the Topwit Mini Rice Cooker offers a unique combination of portability, functionality, and style, making it an excellent choice for those who value convenience and efficiency in a compact design.